To access Spectrum's on-demand content, you'll need to connect your cable box to your Wi-Fi network. The process is now streamlined thanks to the Spectrum TV app. Newer Spectrum cable boxes, released in 2024 or later, have built-in Wi-Fi 6E for better connectivity. For older models, consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. First, ensure your Spectrum cable box is connected to your TV via HDMI and powered on. Next, download the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone or tablet. The app now features an AI chatbot to guide you through the setup process. The app will auto-detect available Wi-Fi networks. Select your network and enter your password when prompted. If you prefer a wired connection, plug an Ethernet cable from your router into the cable box. After connecting to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, activate the cable box through the Spectrum app using the unique code or QR scan displayed on your TV screen. Once activated, you can access on-demand services directly through the Spectrum TV app on your TV or through the cable box interface. Make sure your Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 5 or higher for speeds of at least 25 megabytes per second. If you encounter issues accessing on-demand content, start by power cycling both your cable box and your router. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Use the Spectrum app's diagnostic tool to check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Weak signal strength can cause buffering and playback issues. For older cable boxes, a wired Ethernet connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi. Ensure your router's firewall isn't blocking Spectrum's ports. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system to eliminate dead zones. Also, check for firmware updates for both your cable box and router. During peak hours, you might experience connectivity issues. Spectrum has implemented updates to prioritize on-demand traffic. For optimal performance, upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E. Use the Spectrum AI chatbot for quick help.